It's math time, and I welcome you all once again. Today, I have some nice riddle and probabilities to share. So pay attention and listen. There is a dressing drawer which contains the following colored socks in pairs, which are red, blue, white, yellow, and green. Now, the socks are paired, and each pair is together in the matching set. There is no light in the room, and you open the drawer to pick up a pair. Then, without noticing any color, you keep them back and pick up again. Can you now calculate the probability that the pair of socks was yellow both the times? Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time with me. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Till we meet again, please stay safe and learn hard. Up next is rules in probability. Bye.